Hello everybody, my name is Trevor, and today we're going to go over a little helpful tip for wiring for your robot this season. Okay, so in the last video, we covered some of our general wiring, just more of the robot in general, but this video we're going to go a little more in depth into our wiring, some of the problems we faced, and how we overcame them with a little device I'm going to show you all later. So basically, the problem obviously is you have to get your lift 3 feet in the air, and you have to retract, and your wires have to survive doing that hundreds of times. So how exactly you keep all your wires from getting into gears and wheels obviously is a big problem that we all need to overcome. And with that problem, we used a little device, this little retractable like badge holder thing. What you can do with this, as we'll show you on our robot, is you can retract up to 2 feet, which should be good enough for any of our lifts. And basically what that does is it takes your wires and pulls them back into a specific spot. So our sister team, Blue Chariots of Fire, first introduced us to these. They're very useful. Like I said, up to 2 feet of retraction and extension there. And what these things are nice, they're cheap. You can get them at pretty much any store, any office supplies store. On Amazon, you can get them anywhere like that. What we did on our robot is this little plastic thing here that's made for badges. We just cut it off, and you're left with this metal triangle here that we would take zip ties, and basically you can zip tie them to like pipe or just the wires, and there's just the wires themselves. Whatever works, you could use this plastic, you can cut it off. It's very flexible, it's very cheap, and it's very easy to get. So here on our robot is where we use the lanyards here. We have 2 on the front, we also have 2 on the sides, but we're working and we took them off. But a quick example of how we use them is obviously here we have our tubes that lead our wiring up to our lift system. And you can see here we cut those plastic pieces off, ran a zip tie through that metal loop, and then obviously put the zip tie around the tube with our wiring in. And when you let it down, it keeps it, retracts it back, you lift it up, it's all safe and out of the way. So in conclusion, I would strongly recommend using some sort of retractable lanyard system. It works very well, and they're easy to find. Like I said, they're cheap. But yeah, that was the whole point of this video. Just to strongly recommend what we found has worked for us. As always, if you guys have any questions about anything, feel free to leave a comment or anything. And that's all. Thanks.